Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect BigCommerce to ShipStation, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect BigCommerce to ShipStation, begin by logging into your BigCommerce account. Navigate to the Apps section in the administrative dashboard. In the Apps Marketplace, search for ShipStation using the search bar. Once you find the ShipStation app, click on it to view details. Select the Install button to add the ShipStation app to your BigCommerce store. Follow any prompts that appear to complete the installation. After installation, log into your ShipStation account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, go to the Settings icon in the ShipStation dashboard. Select the Selling Channels option from the menu. Click on Connect a new store or marketplace. From the list, choose BigCommerce as your connection option. You will be prompted to enter your BigCommerce store URL. Input the URL of your BigCommerce store without http:// or www. Next, click the Authorize button to begin the connection process. You will be redirected to BigCommerce to grant ShipStation permission to access your store. Log into your BigCommerce account if prompted, and click Approve to allow access. Once authorized, you'll be redirected back to ShipStation. Your BigCommerce store should now appear as a connected store in your ShipStation account. After connecting, go to the Settings area in ShipStation to configure your preferences. Adjust settings such as order import timeframes and shipping options according to your business needs. To ensure everything is working properly, perform a test order in your BigCommerce store. Check ShipStation to verify that the order appears correctly. You should now be fully set up to manage your BigCommerce orders through ShipStation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.